Hey Vicky, Mario here. Just a quick video for your reference showing what's causing the discrepancy on the primary goal conversion in Google Ads. So as you can see here, you are using a Google Analytics 4 imported conversions. So meaning all those purchase data in GA4 that could be attributed to a Google Ads conversion will be imported here in Google Ads. And the reason why this is inflating or it's over reporting, it's because you are sending the data twice. Now here you have this native integration via the Google and YouTube sales app channel. You'd see that you've connected your GA4 property using this 0YG GA4 measurement ID. There's one, as you can see it's connected, and two, you also connected the GA4 integration within the Elevar dashboard. So you are sending the data twice. So as you can see here, the purchase event is being sent by a server. So we are sending the GA4 purchase we are sending the purchase data to GA4 by a server side, and at the same time your native integration is also sending the same data. Now when GA4 collects those data, both data will be imported back here in GA4. Thus it's duplicating. Now here, since you have this set as secondary, the Elevar purchase, Elevar server-side integration, this is much accurate compared to your primary conversion, since this is not getting or this is not sending any duplicate purchase data. To fix this duplicate reporting, all you need to do is just disconnect this setting in the Google and YouTube sales app. That's it. I hope this helps.